In this video, I will walk you through the basics so you can use DatViz AI smoothly and effectively. But first, let's define data analysis. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data in order to answer questions or draw meaningful conclusions for a given situation. There are two main types of data analysis. Qualitative analysis, which focuses on non-numeric data such as categories, labels, or text. Quantitative analysis deals with numeric data and statistical measurements. The type of data determines the method of analysis you should use. Here are some basic steps. First, know your data. To use DatViz AI effectively, it's important to understand your data before you begin. Know how and why the data was collected. The better you understand your data, the more meaningful your analysis and visualizations will be. Second, have clear goals. Clear goals are essential for effective analysis. Before you start, ask yourself, what am I trying to find out? What question am I trying to answer? What decision or insight do I need from this data? Without clear goals, even the best tools can produce unclear results. Third, data preparation. Data preparation is a critical step in data analysis. Clean, well-structured data leads to accurate and reliable insights. When preparing your data for DatViz AI, it is a best practice to do the following. 1. Protect sensitive information. Use anonymized record IDs that still make sense for analysis and visualization. 2. Ensure your data is clean. Remove missing values, typographical errors, and unnecessary characters. Watch this space! Data cleansing features will be introduced in future updates of DatViz AI. 3. Use a single header row. Your dataset should have one clear header and every column must be labeled. 4. Organize rows and columns correctly. Columns represent variables. Rows represent observations. 5. Name columns properly. Use short, clear, and meaningful column names. 6. Consistent column names. DatViz AI is not case or character sensitive, but it's best practice to use column names exactly as they appear in your header. 7. To enable geomapping, ensure your dataset includes latitude, lat, and longitude, long columns. There are two main steps in data analysis. 1. Data exploration. DatViz AI provides instant data exploration to help you understand your dataset quickly. Clicking the summary icon, you will see number of rows and columns, number of missing values, variables, and their data types. DatViz AI also calculates summary statistics for all numeric variables and presents them in an easy-to-read table. 2. Data visualization. Data visualization is the art and science of transforming raw data into visual representations that are easy to understand and interpret. Data visualization is the heart of data analysis. It simplifies and provides meaning to raw data. Charts, graphs, and maps condense large data sets into clear visuals. 2. Reveals patterns and trends. Makes it easier to identify correlations, trends, and outliers. 3. Makes data accessible. Visualizations help non-technical audiences understand data. 4. Supports better decision-making. Clear visuals highlight key insights and metrics quickly. 5. Tells a story. Effective visualizations communicate insights in a compelling and memorable way. DatViz AI provides sample prompts to guide you, but you are encouraged to write your own prompts to fully explore your data. DatViz AI delivers a user-friendly data analysis and visualization experience, helping you move from raw data to insight faster and more effectively. Give it a try now by logging into datvizai.online and have fun with your data.